If you're experiencing crashes while playing Fortnite, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help stabilize your game. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent drivers can improve performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, and click on the three dots next to Fortnite. Select Verify to check for any corrupted or missing game files. This process will replace any damaged files and can help prevent crashes. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Navigate to the Settings menu in Fortnite and decrease options such as resolution, shadows, and effects. This can help improve stability during gameplay. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing Fortnite, which can help free up memory and processing power. Step 5. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Fortnite. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading components like RAM or the graphics card to enhance performance and reduce crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to minimize or eliminate crashing issues while playing Fortnite. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for further assistance.